The water-powered car is a self-assembled dune buggy, having a standard 1500 series air-cooled aluminum Volkswagen engine. Registration for licensing being approved by the State Highway Patrol Department. It has a tubular constructed frame affixed to a Volkswagen suspension system. The fiberglass shell gives the water-powered car a sporty look, while the openness allows visual inspection of its component parts. Its sleek-looking design is recognizable regardless of its whereabouts. The water fuel cell, as shown, is retrofitted to the dune buggy without engine change. Due to its design features, the fuel cell can use any type of natural water. For comfort, the dune buggy is equipped with a CB and AM/FM stereo multiplex sound system. Seat belts have been installed for safety purposes. Electronic equipment have been installed for road testing. The water fuel cell, as shown, is only one of several types of fuel cells being developed for the marketplace. To power the dune buggy, the fuel cell performs many tasks simultaneously, produces hydrogen gas economically, adjusts the hydrogen gas burn rate to co-equal that of gasoline, produces hydrogen gas on demand, transport hydrogen gas without spark ignition. In terms of insulation, the fuel cell will replace your gas tank. Spark arrestor gas line will go from the fuel cell to hydrogen injector systems affixed to your engine. Hook up electrical wire to your car electrical system. Once completed, fill up the water fuel cell with water, start, and run your car on natural water. The acceleration control box, as shown, allows the hydrogen gas to be controlled in different ways on demand, utilizing variable pulsing, programmable switching of exciters, variable amplitude, even laser injection. To transport the fuel gas without spark ignition, the quenching circuit. To energize the fuel cell during car operations, the variable pulse voltage frequency generator, as shown, is utilized. Variable speed DC, AC motors that power the generator extends controllability. To increase voltage potential still further, simply enlarge the pulley wheel affixed to motor drive. Activate the acceleration control circuit as described. A DC to AC power pack is retrofitted to the dune buggy as shown. Eventually, the power pack, motor drive system, and pulse voltage frequency generator will be replaced by a revolutionary new type of power system called the electrical particle generator. Together, the EPG system and the fuel cell will be... Basically then, the water fuel cell is composed of many systems that are combined into a single functional unit. Like all research and development projects, the prototype unit is always redesigned into a viable production unit once operability is obtained. As an example, the entire electrical control system will be replaced by the EPG electrical generators. Likewise, the fuel cell will become smaller, utilizing more efficient exciters, as previously described. In all cases, the EPG system can provide both DC and AC power output at any voltage levels. In all cases, the power input into the EPG electrical system moves the magnetized material, but does not create the magnetic field for electrical power generation. Because of these design features, the EPG electrical generators will be retrofitted to the water fuel cell affixed to the car. As in all cases, the water fuel cell technology being applied to the dune buggy will also be utilized in all areas where energy is needed. Since the water fuel cell technology is a universal technology, its potential use is unlimited throughout the world.
These bolts for gas. We'll come back in and say they're all tight.
Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades of study.